Let's look at this sad mathematics question. We are given that x raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to 64. We should find the value of x. First of all, what we are going to do, we have what x raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to what? 64 raised to power 1. I have not changed anything. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply both power by the what? Multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2 will be now be what? 2 over 3. So I'm going to have x raised to power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. This is the multiplicative inverse. Is equals to what? 64 raised to power 1 times 2 over 3. We multiply both power by the what? The multiplicative inverse. So at this one, I'm going to have x raised to power what? 6 over 6. As a result of 2 times 0 give me 6. While here I'm going to have 64 raised to power 2 over 3. So 6 divided by 6 is going to give me what? X raised to power, which is the same thing as x. Now I can recite 64 as what? 4 times 4 times 4 in 3 place. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 give me what? 64. And I can rewrite this as what? 4 raised to power 3 times 2 over 3. I hope you understand. So here now I can now have x now is equals to what? 4 raised to power 6 over 3. That is 3 times 2 give me 6. So at this point I can now have x is equals to what? 4 raised to power 2. Because 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. Now, do you believe that x now is equals to what? 64. Why? Because 4 raised to power 2 is equals to what? 16. That is 4 times 4. But they say we should find square root of x. So we are going to find square root of what? 16. And square root of 16 is 4. I hope you understand. So this is the answer. The answer is what? B.